Kasi diba before it was like may bad blood if you go to another network or if you do another project. But then nowadays, I think everybody is just like, basta may trabaho, gawin na lang natin, di ba? Kasi we're just all
Correct.
trying to help each other out. So,
Meron ka ng music, may YouTube channel, may podcast. Ano pa ba ang hindi mo kayang gawin?
actually, a lot. I think that's the joy of life. You're never complete, diba? You're always
Yeah.
trying to progress and grow. So we'll see. Hopefully, I can explore further in the industry. I don't think I'm done yet. I think I'm just starting.
Oo naman, kasi syempre aabangan din namin if you're going to follow the footsteps of your mom and your brother na talaga namang,
I
and we're so happy
know.
na naman to see Miss Maricel Lac sa talagang returning showbiz and acting, no? And of course, Donnie with his hit. And eto na nga, may paparating na pelikula.
Yes.
So ikaw naman, mag-acting ba si Hannah?
I hope so. Maybe one day. I'm
Mm-hmm.
open. If I get an offer, I would love to explore that as well. I think I've always enjoyed being in front of the camera, but I've also really enjoyed right now exploring being behind the camera. So I would love to be
Yeah.
part of the film industry one way or another because that's what I took up in
Mm-hmm.
Australia, film. So
Yeah.
maybe I will be able to follow in their footsteps, but in the other side of the camera. We'll
Ay,
see.
correct. O malay mo, ikaw ang mag-direct sa kuya mo or kay
Oo nga,
mommy
'di
mo,
ba?
di ba? Would you want that?
Hoy! Bumalik ka dito.
Di ba? O,
Authority.
tsaka ano kaya, no? Syempre, ang fun din, parang ano din, mamimili ka rin kung ano din, kung which network. Kasi your pair, Miss Maricel is, tama ba? Magkaka-GMA show ba siya? But she was with TV5 before, parang last
Yeah,
year, di ba?
I
And
don't,
Donnie
but
is,
yeah. I feel like right now, parang wala nang network, 'di ba? Parang everybody is just
yeah.
going with whatever opportunity is available, which is what I enjoy. Kasi 'di ba before it was like may bad blood if you go to another network or if you do another project. But then nowadays, I think everybody is just like, basta may trabaho, gawin na lang natin, di ba? Kasi we're just all
Correct.
trying to help each other out. So, yeah, it would be nice to have a say in who I'm able to work with and who I can learn from. But that's a long process for sure to get to there. Maybe I'll start with apprenticeship or something like that.
Correct. Ay, ang galing. Very exciting. Tsaka parang ikaw din, alam na alam mo na what do you want to do, no? I mean, hindi naman 100% alam, but at least now you
Yeah.
have a parang plan. Yung parang may nakaset ka na na mga
Yes. Parang
gustong
path.
mangyari.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Opo.
Yun naman ang
Opo.
ano tamang way if you have the correct path talaga to take. So, edi
Mm-mm.
ma-achieve ang goals, di ba? Ito naman,
Yes.
singers that you want to collaborate with. Sino ba ang mga naiisip mo? Well, you had Rico Blanco na for a
Singers.
single.
Yeah, actually, I want to kind of go old school, yung mga classic na Filipino bands. Maybe like Up Dharma Down or something like that. Or like
Mm-hmm.
Juan Carlos, such great songs that he's coming up with. Or hopefully international artists as well. I really love Han or Lainey. I don't know. This is just me
Ay,
thinking.
saya. Correct, correct. Hindi naman masama.
Hey, is it wrong to dream? No naman, diba?
'Di ba? No naman. So, pasok na
Mm-mm.
pasok. Very
Oo nga.
exciting. At least, no, syempre you're still young. Ano talaga. You have an exciting future ahead of you. Tapos,
You
yun
never
nga, ang husay
know.
mo pang mag-create ng content. Like, kasi di ba syempre may mga notion na kapag, usually pag sa YouTube lang, yun lang yung kaya mong gawin. Pero ikaw, parang ano
Yes.
na-discard na lahat ng notions na ganun because you're having your own podcast, you compose and you write your own songs, and you've studied film in Australia. So my gosh, ang ganda ng ano,
Mm.
nagagawa mo for the ano din, community. Pero gaano ka different itong lahat ng platforms ito? Like if you're doing your songs, anong klaseng Hana yon? Pag sa YouTube, anong Hana yon? Sa podcast, anong klaseng Hana din yon?
Yeah, I think yung music Hana is very senti. Sa
Yeah.
palagay ko. Kasi 'di ba, I'm not naman sentimental on my videos. Parang I want to encourage people to be happy and to encourage
Yeah.
them to be, excited and inspired and stuff like that. But then I feel like music can kind of give me an avenue to be a human also, to make mistakes, to struggle with certain topics. And I love that I'm just alone in the recording booth. I'm just saying my own words. Na parang no one else can touch my own words. You know, they're mine.
Yeah.
And I don't really yung feedback kasi comes after you already make the music. So they can't anymore touch that, they can't edit that. So that's what
Correct.
I enjoy. Mm-mm.
O sa ano naman, as the YouTube, hindi, nasabi mo na kanina na parang doon naman yung mas happy, no? So yung sa
Yes.
YouTube, Hana. Ito na sa
Yeah.
podcast. O since you have 2 podcasts pala.
Yeah, so Cuentos with Hannah is basically just me making kwento na walang edit. Yan naman walang edit. Because on YouTube, meron edits, di ba? So my
Yeah.
mistakes are cut off and stuff like that. But I think that Cuentos with Hannah is just yung parang train of thought ko na just keeps on going and keeps on going. So hopefully people can listen that kapag meron silang ginagawa na gusto nilang may companion or something like that. Tapos podcast naman, which is a new Spotify original podcast actually,
Wow.
is something naman that I'm working on with mental health professionals to help people. It's kind of like a gateway into being okay to talk about what you're going through. Kasi diba minsan
Mhm.
kapag may pinagdadaanan ka, parang ang hirap to admit or it's hard to come to someone and to talk about it. So hopefully this one is like the warming up to someone to be able to talk about what they're going through. So it's really guided and written for those that meron talaga silang pinagdadaanan na gusto nilang i-address. Ganon.
Kasi, hindi lang basta content creator, talagang with purpose and with ano talaga, with
Dapat
content,
lang.
di ba?
Oo nga.
Yung hindi eme-eme lang, di ba? It sells, but iba pa rin kasi pag may purpose talaga yung ano, di ba? Yung
True. And I
content
think
na ginagawa mo.
yan yung content na sustainable. And that's the goal, di ba? To be sustainable. Ayaw mo naman na next year laos ka na kasi wala ka na naman sinasabi. You're just posing and smiling, di ba? So
Oo,
hopefully this
correct.
is content that will last and be relevant even if I'm not super active or if I'm already having a family or something. You know what I mean? Parang
Oo.
sustained relevance, yung gano'n.
Ganda na. Gusto ko yung napunta ka na doon sa family, ah.
Oo nga, of
Di ba?
course, life plan.
Correct. O, di ba ang galing? Uy, nakakatuwa. Super, smart ni Hannah. Hindi kasi first time nating
Oh,
nakachikahan
thank
si Hannah.
you.
So, ang fun to get to know you ng
Thank
ganito,
you,
no?
Jempi.
Eto naman, sa Australia, syempre yun nga, na-share naman that you've been there for like 1.5
Mm-mm.
years. Ang tagal.
Yes, 1.5
And
years.
ito
Matagal
ay
na.
kasagsagan ng pandemic.
Yeah. So I had to go home. I went home because of the pandemic. Kasi
Oh
parang I
my
just
God.
felt as if it was so hard to just function there by myself. Kasi and my parents were like really stressed na, where are you going? What are you doing? Do you have enough food? So I was just like, let's just. I was supposed to be a 2-year course, so I was like, let's just cut this short. Kasi, like I said, it was already taking a toll on my mental health because I was really
Correct.
anxious and worried. What if something happened to my parents or my family? So I'd prefer na lang being here, and it helps because I took up film in Australia when I got here. All of them need Zoom calls, they need setups and everything. So I'm here. Their technical help is here readily available for them.
Correct. Oo nga, ang galing.
Oo
At
nga.
least, di ba,
Mm-mm.
sa first, kumbaga first salang na
Oo nga, exactly.
yung skills mo na natutunan doon ay sa family mo nagamit. O, di ba, bongga?
Exactly.
Ang saya. So, anong reaction ng mom mo? Kasi, kunyari, sa kanya, ikaw ang, nagsiset up. So, sa'yo siya nagpapatulong.
Yeah, she's so happy. She's like, dapat naman at least may return of investment naman kami sa iyo. Sasabi niya yun sa akin. I was like, wow, sana naman, mom. I was there for quite a while. So, yeah, I just started all of these projects and they were able to record like their seminars from home or certain guestings and shows
Oh,
from home.
yeah.
Yeah, so it was really nice and I was able to help. There have been times, for example, na si Kuya Donnie, meron sang endorsement shoot, hindi sila pwede pumunta ng photo shoot because of the pandemic. Okay, who's your photographer? Me. Oh, set up a white background, lights, and then boom, I'm taking pictures
Saya.
for his. Yeah.
Ay, at saka ang
Fun.
dad mo nga pala, tama ba? Motivational speaker din kasi ang dad mo. So,
Yes, he is.
nag-hold
So
siya
when
ng
he has,
seminars niya.
yeah, so he has a nice setup with his seminars. Hopefully, sometimes he asks me for help, pero sometimes he likes it raw. Alam mo yung parang ganyan.
Oo.
But if he says, Hannah, this is a very important I'm like, okay, I got it. Mic, background, lights, everything.
Ito na,
Oh
nabanggit mo na
no.
kanina si Donnie. Siyempre, nakikita namin sa inyong mga vlogs kung gaano ka-fun
Yes.
maging kapatid ang isa't isa. But really, what goes on behind the camera?